I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have something new. Can't really see it. Well, I hope you can't. But I've been without a hearing aid for about 3 weeks. Longer than that if you count the time that it wasn't working right. When you lose your hearing, you lose a lot. Conversations are very tough to do. And I apologize if any of my sound wasn't exactly up to par, because I couldn't tell. But now I have hearing aids in both ears, and I'm back up to normal. Actually, I'm better than normal. I feel like I'm at 110%. But I think that's just today because I picked it up this afternoon, and I had been without it so long, I got used to not hearing.